Today we will discuss about the monthly chart of Nifty. So let's go to the chart without wasting any time. So in Nifty, this is the monthly chart, 1 month chart, and this is the current month, a sort of hammer formation. So now the things to observe is that from February 2016 we get a uptrend. It's keep on going, and in September 2016 there was a small 4-month correction, and again after that there was a hammer, and again after that till January 2018 it was a uptrend. Again in February 2018 there was a down, a small correction we can say, again uptrend. Again in September 2018 again small correction for September and October, then a sideways movement for another 5 months, 4 months after September in fact. So in March 2019 again a small, we can say, uptrend. January 19 again a correction, sorry not January, June 19 there was a correction, and again in September we had a 4 months of rise, and in January 2020 we started a correction. In January 2020 it was a small correction, but February it was a bit good one, but in March we all know that we had a very big fall. We have almost touched 7,500 on Nifty. Now if I'll say that 7,500 on Nifty, the bottom, or you can say it should be somewhere 7,000 was expected. So still I am hoping that this level, let me mark this level, at least once Nifty must check this level. Okay, this one. So 6825 it's coming. Say we can say 7,000, near about 7,000 we should have seen. Okay. Now we'll talk about March. There was a big fall. In April we had seen a recovery. Again in May, if the Nifty able to trade above these levels, above April levels, like 98,050, 9,850, then we should have expected a up move. Now we had seen a hammer formation in the May, but this hammer is not so significant because the position of the hammer is not you can say a positive position. Although hammer is a sign of up move only, but it's not a positive position because hammer should be somewhere here near to the bottom, the last bottom, this one. So I'm expecting, again my expectations are that if Nifty able to trade above 9,850 for at least one day and closes above this level, then we can see a further high. But if Nifty broke down and it breaks the level of 8790, then we can expect that it will come to this level 6808 or something like 7000 levels. So I just want to say this much only. This is a very short video. Hope you people will find some knowledge in it, and if you people are satisfied, I again request you to kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.